Do you want to unlock the power of financial literacy? Ever wonder how some people seem to be masters of their money? Welcome to a world where understanding money isn't a luxury, but a necessity. Financial literacy, the ability to understand and use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing, is a tool that everyone should have in their arsenal. It's not just for the wealthy or those in finance careers, it's for everyone. In today's fast-paced, ever-changing economic landscape, financial literacy is more critical than ever. It empowers individuals to make informed decisions, achieve financial stability, and even create generational wealth. In this video, we're going to explore this concept further. We will uncover the secrets to financial literacy, and we'll do this by diving into the wisdom found in books. Not just any books, but 20 carefully selected masterpieces that stand as pillars in the world of finance. Stay tuned as we dive into 20 must-read books that will help you become financially literate. Starting off our list, we have 5 incredible reads that lay the foundation for financial literacy. Our first recommendation is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book explores the contrast between two perspectives on wealth and education, that of a rich man and a poor man. Kiyosaki's key takeaway is the importance of financial education and the role it plays in creating wealth, challenging the traditional belief that one needs a high income to become rich. Next up is The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. This timeless classic uses parables set in ancient Babylon to teach fundamental financial principles. Clason emphasizes the importance of saving at least 10% of your earnings, investing wisely, and seeking advice from those knowledgeable in finance. Our third book, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, offers a step-by-step guide to getting out of debt and building wealth. Ramsey's approach is practical and easy to follow, focusing on 7 baby steps that include saving, paying off debt, and investing for the future. Turning the page, we find Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book provides a comprehensive program for transforming your relationship with money and achieving financial independence. It's a thought-provoking read that challenges the notion that more money equals more happiness. Finally, we have Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Based on Hill's study of over 500 self-made millionaires, this book delves into the psychology of wealth. It proposes that wealth is not just about the accumulation of money but also about personal development and mindset. These books provide a strong start to your journey towards financial literacy. Continuing our journey, the next 5 books delve deeper into the world of personal finance. First up, we have The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book is a fascinating study into the habits of wealthy individuals. The authors reveal that most millionaires live below their means, choosing to invest and grow their wealth rather than flaunt it. It's a wake-up call to those who equate flashy lifestyles with financial success. Next, The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach is a must-read. Bach introduces the concept of paying yourself first, where a portion of your income automatically goes into savings before you even see it. This approach simplifies the process of accumulating wealth and makes it easier for anyone to achieve financial independence. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins offers a no-nonsense guide to personal finance. Collins emphasizes the power of low-cost, broad-market index funds as a means to grow your wealth steadily over time. His straightforward advice cuts through the jargon and presents a clear path to financial freedom. In I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi, the focus shifts to a more strategic approach to money. Sethi addresses how to automate your finances, negotiate better deals, and invest in low-cost index funds. He also highlights the importance of spending consciously on things you love, while cutting costs mercilessly on things you don't. Finally, we round off this segment with Broke Millennial by Aaron Lowry. This book takes a fresh, relatable approach to money management, addressing real-world issues faced by millennials. Lowry offers practical advice on everything from managing student loans to negotiating your salary. These books will take you a step further in your understanding of money management. Let's move on to 5 more books that offer advanced insights into the world of finance. First up is A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. This classic piece demystifies the concept of investing, making it accessible to the common man. Malkiel argues that a blindfolded monkey throwing darts at a newspaper's financial pages could select a portfolio that would do just as well as one carefully selected by experts. A captivating read, it encourages you to understand the randomness of the stock market. Next, we delve into The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Often referred to as the Bible of investing, this book lays out Graham's philosophy of value investing, which shields investors from substantial error and teaches them to develop long-term strategies. Graham's wisdom has stood the test of time, making this book a must-read. The third book, Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher, is a testament to the importance of qualitative analysis in investment decisions. Fisher's 15 points to look for in a common stock are as relevant today as they were over half a century ago. This book is invaluable for those looking to delve deeper into company analysis. Our fourth book, Security Analysis by Benjamin Graham and David Dodd, is another cornerstone of financial literature. This book is a guide to understanding and evaluating financial statements, providing you with the tools to dissect a company's balance sheet and income statement. It's a more technical read, but absolutely rewarding for those willing to put in the effort. Lastly, we have The Essays of Warren Buffett, compiled by Lawrence Cunningham. This book is a collection of Buffett's letters to Berkshire Hathaway shareholders over the years. It offers profound insights into Buffett's investment strategies and his views on business, investing, and life. It's like having a personal conversation with the Oracle of Omaha himself. These books will help you navigate the complex world of investing and wealth creation. Finally, we have 5 more books that will help you master the art of financial literacy. Let's dive right in. First up is The Money Book for the Young, Fabulous, and Broke by Suze Orman. This book is a financial guide for a new generation. It's full of practical advice on everything from paying off student loans to buying a first home. Orman's approach is refreshing and relatable, making complex financial concepts accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background. Next, we have The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. This book is a powerful manifesto on the benefits of low-cost, low-turnover, passively managed index funds. Bogle, the founder of Vanguard Group, uses this book as a platform to share his own investment strategy, which emphasizes simplicity and common sense. Then we have The Boglehead's Guide to Investing by Taylor Larimore, Mel Lindauer, and Michael LeBoeuf. This book is a comprehensive guide to investing, covering topics from saving and insurance to estate planning. It's written in a conversational tone, making it easy to understand, even for those who are new to investing. Our fourth book is The 4 Pillars of Investing by William Bernstein. This book offers a thorough exploration of the 4 essential topics that every investor must master: theory, history, psychology, and the business of investing. Bernstein's approach is academic yet engaging, providing readers with a solid foundation in financial literacy. Lastly, we have The Only Investment Guide You'll Ever Need by Andrew Tobias. This book provides a comprehensive overview of personal finance, covering everything from budgeting and saving to investing and retirement planning. Tobias's humorous and engaging writing style makes the book not only informative but also enjoyable to read. These books will give you the tools you need to take control of your financial future. There you have it, 20 books that will empower you to become financially literate. Each of these tomes holds a wealth of knowledge that can guide you on your path to understanding the complex world of finance. They've been carefully selected to provide a diverse range of perspectives, from the basics of budgeting to the intricacies of investing. These books play a vital role in fostering financial literacy, a skill that is increasingly becoming a necessity in our modern world. By reading these books, you'll gain the confidence to make informed financial decisions, manage your money effectively, and plan for a secure future. The power to control your financial destiny lies in your hands, and it all begins with understanding the language of money. So don't wait for tomorrow. Begin your journey towards financial literacy now. The knowledge you gain will be your most valuable asset. Remember, the journey to financial literacy starts with a single page. So pick up a book and start reading today. We hope you found this list of books helpful and inspiring. We've tried our best to curate a comprehensive list, but we're sure there are other fantastic books out there that we may have missed. So we'd love to hear from you. Are there any other books on financial literacy that you think should make it to our list? Or perhaps you have a personal favorite that has significantly helped you on your financial journey. Also, we're constantly on the lookout for fresh and relevant topics to cover in our upcoming videos. If there's a particular topic you want us to dive into, don't hesitate to let us know. What would you like us to talk about in our next video? Please leave your suggestions, recommendations, and ideas in the comments section below. We always value your input, and we're eager to hear from you. Remember, every single comment helps us make our content better and more suited to your needs. So, let's keep the conversation going. Together we can make the journey to financial literacy less daunting and more exciting. Thank you for being a part of our community.